Let's take a look now at the Systems of Linear Equations and Inequalities study guide. Our study guide begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can look at the questions. The first question says, which of the following represents the below function in slope-intercept form? So we need to move everything away to get y by itself, so we would subtract 9x from both sides. So we get 7y is equal to negative 9x minus 7. Then we divide both sides by 7, and we get negative 9 over 7x minus 1, which is this one here, So we'll go ahead and highlight that. So we highlight it, and then we're going to go here to the highlight color and change it. I'm going to make it yellow. You can make it any color you want, just make sure it's a color that stands out. So that's our first one, and then we'll scroll down and go to the next one. Let's pick another random one. Then let's look at the next one. The next one says, which of the graphs below represents the graph of the equation below, which is y equals negative 3x plus 2. Well, we know that negative 3 means it's going to go down, so it can't be this one. It could be this one. It can't be this one, and it can be this one. So it's got to be one of these two. So we know that the y-intercept is 2. So which one passes through 2? This one passes through 2. This one passes through 3. So it's not that one. So it's got to be this one here. So we're going to go up here, and we're going to highlight it. So we go to our highlighter, change the color to yellow, and that shows that that's our answer. So you'll do that for each of the questions. Once you're done, we'll go to our answer key and check your work. So you can check and see if you did it correctly. So the first one, it says we did correctly. The second one here, we did correctly as well. So we did each of them correctly, and we'll check all of our answers, and that's how you'll complete the study guide. Now, to make sure that you stay on track, there's a study guide schedule here that you can follow. So it tells us by the 27th of September, you should be able to complete questions 1 through 3 on graphing linear equations. By the 28th, you should be able to complete questions 4 through 6 on graphing systems of linear equations. On the 4th of October, you should be able to complete questions 7 through 11 on elimination. By the 6th, you should be able to complete 12 through 15, which is on substitution. By the 11th, you should be able to complete questions 16 through 17 on choosing the right method. And by the 14th, you should be able to complete questions 19 through 21, which is on graphing linear inequalities. And lastly, by the 19th, you should be able to complete questions 22 through 25 on graphing systems of linear inequalities.